Hey, what's going on? You know who it is. It is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels. We have RDP in the building. What's going on, Ross? How you doing?
Excellent. How are you doing today?
Thank you for being on this show.
Thank you very much.
So tell us about RDP. Like, how long have you guys been in business?
We've been around for 44 years. We're based out of Vail, Colorado. We're a property management system that provides solutions for hotels, condo hotels, vacation rentals, timeshare, fractionals, RV resorts, and also campgrounds.
Nice, nice. Like, what are the three main benefits that you guys bring to the hotel industry?
Driving revenue to you. That's our main goal. Increasing occupancy and revenue. That's our main focus. Also making the property as efficient as possible. That's our main focus.
What are a couple of ways you increase occupancy?
We have direct connections with Expedia, TravelClick, Booking.com, and Synexus. We also have direct connections with VRBO, and we have a connection with Airbnb as well.
Now, if I was to ask a front desk manager, what are her three favorite features about your system? What do you think those would be?
I would say our reservations tape chart. I would also say the ability for us to schedule reports automatically, send out every day.
That's beautiful.
And the integration with all the departments, housekeeping, maintenance, all the departments in the resort.
Now, the reason why the reports automatically is so important is because one, it saves paper. You don't have to print all the reports and put them in everybody's inbox. You know, they could just get it by email. They could print it themselves if they need it. And two, it saves time because delivering those reports to everybody is a big headache for a night audit and everybody else that has to produce those reports. So that's a big saving in time. It is. So kudos to you guys for making sure you have that feature inside the system.
Thank you.
How can everybody get in touch with you?
Ross at resortdata.com.
And the website?
Resortdata.com.
All right, fantastic. Thank you guys for joining us for another episode. This is Bruce Jordan, the Michael Jordan Hotels, signing out.
Hey, what's going on? It's Bruce Jordan, the hotel revenue expert. I just want to take a quick second to thank you for watching this video. If you could just do us a big favor and just subscribe to the channel. We have a lot more videos like this, more information, great information about hotels. I'm also the author of the Hotel Revenue Bible. You can get that book on hotelrevenuebible.com. And we are here to answer all your questions. So if you have any questions, just shoot us a quick text at 321-321-2002. That's 321-321-2002. And you can book a revenue call. Go to hotelrevenuecall.com and we can answer any and all your questions. Just make an appointment with me. You'll do one-on-one with me. You'll be able to do one-on-one with me and we could go ahead and get all your questions answered and see if you have any revenue issues that needs to be resolved. Talk to you soon. Thank you again. Hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate you.